ahead and check around, and I feel scratchy right here. We are going to squeeze it out. And seals on the top of the beads and the frame. Okay. And then if you feel scratchy on the sides of the crystals, we are going to squeeze a little bit, and we don't want it using too much because it's going to flood your crystal. And I see that if it's getting a little bit more, what I'm going to go ahead and do is using the tinter brush in the other Pixie end. And we are going to blend. All right.
Oh, Heather, thank you for the subscription. You will love the box.
Oh my God, that's so awesome, Heather. You will love it. I am so enjoying. I did the sub box for last few videos, and they are so stunning. And it doesn't do a dent to my box at all. I still have a box right next to me right here. Right here when I'm talking to you. It just has so many in there for you to enjoy. And this month you get the gel polish. And I think I got the, I have this colors. Hold on, let me do this and I'm going to show you what I got. I'm going to seal the beads again. Seal the beads. Seal the beads first. So then it's prevent from getting tarnished because we're washing our hands a lot. Cleaning the house, wash our hand, using hand sanitizing, wash the hands again, like constantly washing the hand. So make sure you are going to seal this to get it absolutely sealed. And then I'm gonna line it out because I don't want it to look really bulky and like have a lumpy when you are finishing curing. Cure for 60 seconds. And here's the nails that we have for last couple videos to celebrate a Lunar New Year. And don't forget and don't lose this red cap. I put it right back in to protect and keep your your precision glue gels last a long time. And here's the color I got, Rose Nude, number 42. That's the color I got on my sub box. And a lot of you get Rose Nude, a lot of you get like pink, a lot of you will get like and I have Diamond Dust Pixie on my box. So I'm so excited for your box. I can't wait. Here is just a little bit this side. The butterfly wing. Which one you like better?